it is day one here in Sagone. All of our family members coming today. And we're having umu, so I'll show you guys the process. Pero umang kapengan lu. Mai alum pukale ke lea.
Ele alum pukale o shuru.
Mu pukale o kasa lagi.
Ya, vai quero. Na abro pro prova disso.
Where are you going? Ngồi má uống hả?
Sì, ma una bella. Io qua anch'io come anch'io. Anch'io come dire. Non è fosse basta. Ah, è fosse. Ah. Também aqui.
Có pipi.
Có pipi.
Mai.
Thì uma ofu, se eu pegar ofu aí ó. E ela também aí. Vai bacana quando tem bom. E mas tem a fogo ele o ao sui me Samoa e o pipi o ofu.
Lá.
Se for flavor aí olha coisa o igual.
Ficava eu mal com a leo, mãe. Foi fai lá comer.
Foi ele fanguna ele fai aí olha meu como meu meu porto. E mas
Vai valer sirinho.
Samoa.
Vai valer sirinho.
네.
Para beber lama. E leu favela e pumole kako umu. E ele me momua le kaunga fai. Kusara le kilo me kanka au fai umu le kilo me leu.
Como é, mano?说的又不会说的。
高，别么高。
喂。
一点，那你。
Selalu mau boys.
Kasih yang itu.
Umi pusai melhor. Ah. Mai kan. Kalau may ngay sa ngong apa? Oi. Wala mo mga dia. So. Sakya mo mga.
Sila kiss ko maika ira. Pagkuwari.
Ay, may mo iya nga.
Yo, yan mo ko ano mga ano pa pag mo siya po. Mo siya po iro po. Kaibo. Ui. Mau mengi urus di mana di? Itu ya sudah. Kira umar le ya lu awang ya, awak di. Pak je ya. Kena me ya lu. Ya aku di pa ni. No. Kira mami. Aku mau pulang ni yang waktu kalau sekolah lah aku. Nama. Dari Pak. Anak polo. Polo waktu.
Hey. Shh. Shh. What are you doing? Huh? Hi guys. So the umu is still going on. I'll go do an update with the umu in a bit. But Amaya just finished having a shower. I think she's feeling a bit under the weather. But yeah, it's raining in Sagone and loving it so far. But yeah, all of my siblings and their kids are coming today, which is why we're doing the umu, and also some cooking. So yeah, looking forward to seeing them again. Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of kids running around in a few hours. So yeah, but I'll show you guys the umu process. It is a long process, but yeah, we'll pop in and out just to keep you guys updated with it. But yeah, here we go, the umu, and it's raining.
Ya. Asal info Pak, hai kau.
Cậu cô mang ngày nhé. Miệng liền ngau ule kau ku đúng không ơi? Này mà các mình phải lá cô. So se me hola. Ele ai me hola.
Não, có ai biết có lỗ.
Đây ấy. Ngau có lau anh không? Amara, look. Look. Look, baby. There's a ripe papaya. Yeah, pawpaw. A ripe one. And then we have kipolo. Dad. Wow. Almost about to put on the tower. Where's the tower? There, that's the tower. Asana. Maalala fayo. Samoa. Boy, they find me. I. Kakia with kamalia. Delicious. Putting all the towers. Go So we'll come back, for a little, because this one's getting grumpy, and it's raining. So I think that's gonna take about a week, or maybe less. So hi there. Hi, doggy. Look. Look. There's a dog. Say hi to the dog. Say hi to the dog. Look. Hi, dog. Since I'm in Sagone, might be my last one here. I'll just take you guys for a tour around the Methodist pastor house. Yeah, I'll take you guys for a tour. So this is the toilet, the bathroom area, house. This is another house. I think this is where they do food prepping. This is their hall. This is where I did my wedding. I had my wedding reception. Oloku. That is the church right opposite. Longo there, that's the bell. The beautiful garden. And this is the pastor's house. The house where my parents lives. So it is whaamati season. They've got about a week to decorate and clean everything for the whaamati. So they've already painted the house, repainted it. They fixed some things that were wrecked. They painted all of these houses the same color. Yeah, it's looking beautiful. Yeah, and that is the preschool over there. Apparently the building is new. They've rebuilt it when my parents came here. And yeah, so that's the preschool area. So beautiful. Who's that? Imaka. Who's that?
Kikenge reang ngai. Abayo mai pasi ai. Siaka. Mari, mari aku ngwa papia haru dah. Si le ya la ya wa lo kenge dia kaya.
Kaya aku may Sagone ah.
Kaya kenge sawa ai. Kaya kenge sawa ai kenge dia. Kaya kenge sawa ai. Wei. Eva kai kaya pia dia si ba ma. Ko inki ha fori no dia. Kan. Hey, aku mai iro vai ke aku ya la.
Nice. Doa. Hola. Oye, fie pu ela sa wa ka papenga. Si ilungan pu.
Yo, babe mai doa dia.
Nice. Ashes. Just getting food ready for the families that's arriving today. I'm so hungry. Crew is here. Jay. So my little brother and his family is here. So yeah. Yeah. Hello. Hi.
Run around.
Throw that shoes over. Yeah.
Where is he?
Hey, what you doing?
Yeah, he's got a lot of space to roam around. Look at this one.
Full colour.
So cute. Dad eating them for the first time. Look at this palangi. Look at this palangi.
Crying.
Please meet you.
You too.
I watched you.
Oh, thank you.
Miss you.
Come in, guys. Naughty boy. The other ones are here. So that's my older brother. Already up there.
Where's the little one? How are you?
Big girl? Yeah. Oh. Sleeping.
You looking good?
Yeah.
Hey?
What's she sleeping?
You guys made it alright?
Yeah. We expected to be here after you guys.
I know.
It's a lot different from Ubolu.
Yeah. Alright guys, just taking a tour for these guys.
Welcome to a
A
real
doggy? Yeah, that's the outside kitchen. Doggy?
Who's that? White one.
Balangi boy. Look at your Balangi brother. Yeah? Nina. Nina, look. Everyone's enjoying eating. Some people have just got eating. And I still haven't eaten, I'm so hungry. Been doing a lot this morning. Little bro's leaving with his family. We'll see them tomorrow. Hi Kylo, see you tomorrow. Where's the other one? Amira. What are you doing? What are you doing? Ngali. Umalik ko po. Look at these two. Take a photo of him. Yeah, count down to 6. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. That's a Miss Samoa.
Nina. Kenapa? Kenapa Jopin?
Oh, nice. Nice. Oh, nice. Oh, we're missing this one. Such a moron. This is the family, guys. That's my dad when he was how old? 21?
19.